Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today, and in this video I'll be sharing 4 websites that are available in Africa which can help you earn extra cash on the side. First of all, a quick note. These websites won't make you rich. They will just earn you extra money on the side, like for gas, for airtime and others. It is crucial to have a realistic expectations about what you can earn from these websites. The great thing about money making websites is that you can earn money from anywhere, since we always carry our phones. You can use multiple websites as long as you can manage the different activities they require from you. And today I will share 4 websites that will pay you to complete various tasks. Before we dive in, if you are new here, welcome to this channel. On this channel I share methods, ideas and strategies for making money online in Africa, whether it is through websites, apps, online jobs, remote jobs and others. If you enjoy this content, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell and like this video. The first website on the list is Toloka. With this website, you are going to get paid to do short tasks online. You can also earn wherever and whenever you want, and all you need is a device connected to the internet. Toloka is a website but is also available as an app, so you can find it on Google Play Store. So this is how it works. First of all, you are going to sign up and it is totally free. Second, you are going to complete a quick training set to learn how to do particular type of task. Third, you are going to pick the task that you want to do on your computer or in your phone. Fourth, you are going to read the instructions to complete the assignment. Fifth, you are going to withdraw your money from Toloka account. And lastly, tell your friends about Toloka and you get money for that. They also show you examples on the type of task that you are going to do on their website. The tasks range from finding information on certain things or topics, to uploading photos of specific objects or places, to transcribing audios, making sure comments and images are appropriate, and similar easy tasks. The next website is called Traf Monetizer. This website is available worldwide, and whenever you share your internet connection, you will make money. The website is also available as an app, so what you have to do is install the app and start making money from each byte of your internet connection. The reason why they will pay you for your traffic or for your internet is because there are hundreds of marketing and advertising agencies that need to visit customer websites from different regions to make sure their ads are displaying properly, and those companies need data collected across different regions. So while they pay you for using your internet traffic to collect the data, those companies will benefit too. And don't worry, they will be using only a tiny part of your internet connection in their network. The next website is called Jamtask. Jamtask is a website and also available as an app. There are several ways on how you can make money with Jamtask. The main ways are viewing ads, taking surveys, testing apps and completing offers, also participating in promotional campaigns. Jamtask will reward you with Jam tokens for completing small and simple tasks. There are multiple tasks on Jamtask, ranging from watching videos on TikTok, watching videos on YouTube or downloading certain apps. Whenever you collect Jamtask tokens, you will be paid through cryptocurrency. The last website on the list is BananaBucks. The website pays you cash to take surveys. All you need to do is share your opinions with thousands of brand partners and start making money today. The website is also available on Google Play Store as an app. It is also one of the highest rated survey apps that actually pays people. You will make about $0.2 per survey, and the more surveys you take, the better your payout will get. After that, you can cash out your money via PayPal. You will get $1 on your first completed survey. So go ahead and download BananaBucks. Money making websites are a great way to earn extra cash, but remember, they are not a sustainable income source. If you want more substantial income opportunities, you should look into starting an online business or affiliate marketing. So do let me know if you want videos on those topics. For now, thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends so that they can also take an advantage of it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications bell. See you in my next video.